Right guys, so back for part 2 of Kim's. Skip is here. Lots of bits of rubbish and stuff we're going to get rid of. What my plan is, I'm going to try and move this stuff out first. I want to get all the green waste in, which is at the back. And I'm also going to get her son involved, so her son's going to come and help, you know, yeah, help out his mum, get all the rubbish, help me get all the rubbish in the skip as well. So here we have it. Did all this last time. All this stuff here is going to end up in a skip. Down there, we get it in the skip, break it all up. So yeah, guys, bit of a job on our hands, but as always, if you enjoy the content, guys, consider liking and subscribing. Apologies, we didn't have a video last week as well, but we'll get one out this week and next week as well. Right, guys, let's get cracking. Here he is. Hey?
Missed me that much, yeah?
I missed you that much, mate. You're going to help. You all right being on camera?
Yeah, of course.
Well, you've got no choice, have you? Right, so we're going to get cracking on with this, guys. He's going to help his mum out today, ain't you?
Of course. Get
cracking with this. Right.
Hiya.
I hope I got a bigger skip. How you doing? All right?
Yeah, not too bad.
I'm going to start with the back,
Yeah.
get all the stuff out the back, and then I'm hoping that if I do it correctly and we get it, you know,
Yeah.
we can get as much in there as possible, all right?
See how it goes.
It'll be exciting.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
Work, you could do
Yeah.
it.
All right, no worries, no
Alright,
problem.
yeah.
Cheers, thank you. Right, okay, let's get all this stuff out. So just start moving anything out and just put it to the side of the skip for now. Sweet. I'm just going to grab my glass. We're making progress. We're filling the skip quite quickly though, so we'll have to get him to jump in and jump up and down on it.
You know what I really like about this guy? He bought us a skip. Top easy for that. See that? Don't need gym for their muscles. Yeah. Gandalf right now. Shall not pass in that.
Yeah, so that must have been scary because your mum mentioned obviously she almost died through the sick. She got an illness.
Oh yeah. Pretty much what happened was well, I wouldn't say it's a disease, but like it's something that you can get hereditary.
Right.
And it's pretty much where your intestine kind of wraps itself around itself.
Yeah.
And it just makes you not be able to poo pretty much.
Yeah.
And I mean, she was in agony for ages, but none of us knew because she just trooped on and went to work and all that.
She just carried on.
And it wasn't until like a week before her birthday where she's gone to the pub to celebrate, and like I think the next day or something, my sister's woken up and my mum's screaming downstairs on the floor in agony. And bear in mind, I was asleep, didn't even hear the commotion going on, and just stayed asleep. I just got a text when I woke up. Mum's in hospital.
Oh wow!
They don't know what's happening, and they almost had her go. Like get her, like had her release. Without even checking anything. So they said, oh yeah, if, like one of the doctors said, oh yeah, if you let her go, she would have been dead in the week.
Wow. Well, that's crazy, isn't it?
So it's lucky that doctor was there, really.
Yeah, no, definitely, yeah.
But the thing is with Mum, she doesn't like to tell a lot of people her business.
No,
so
of course, yeah.
a lot of people found out through me.
Yeah, well, you know, it's one of those things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so this is how we're getting on, guys. How are we doing? I've got a bit of a runny nose today. I'm 2 weeks away from having a baby. The missus is pregnant. So it's all go at the minute for my channel. But yeah, we're getting this stuff in next after. Then we're going to focus on rubbish on top of the skip and hopefully get as much as possible. We'll definitely get everything out the back so it'll be all nice blank canvas, give it all a good rake up and stuff, and then it'll just be the front stuff. So we'll do our best.
Well, let's give birth to a greenhouse. Blue 42. So. Now I need to understand, for all the American viewers, what is the difference between rugby and American football? Because like they're both the same, in my opinion, but we have like very different rules. Like I don't know, but I've just always not been able to wrap my head around the different rules. Because like rugby, there's safety precautions, but you are brutal in American football. You're just shoulder barging everyone and all that. So can someone please explain the rules of American football to me and what the difference between rugby and American football is? Thank you.
can't get the angle grinder in the bits that I want to cut. So I'm actually going to have to go and get a, luckily it's aluminium, so it's not, it hasn't rusted. So I'm going to have to go and get the little tool bit and just do it manually, which is annoying. This is taking too much time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave, it's doable, as you can see it's just fiddly, so I don't want to spend too much time trying to undo it, where I'd rather be clearing and putting stuff in the skip before we gets dark, because it's now 1 o'clock and about 3 o'clock it's quite dark now. So yes, I'm going to go out the front and start loading stuff into the skip, and then I'm going to get him to tomorrow or something, when he's got a bit of time, he can get out there and try and undo it all. So we've got, I mean, it's pretty much empty now. We've got the greenhouse, which he's going to take down himself. He's got a little key set, and he's going to slot the little bits inside the skip where you can. Or even if you leave that out the front of your house, because it's metal, scrap metal guys drive past all the time, they'll pick it up and take it anyway. The sofa is just massive, bulky, that filled up the whole skip. So yeah, so I think in a way, guys, I kind of like hit the point where there's not really much more I can do. I've achieved what I wanted to achieve, which was basically get in the garden, cut down and clear as much as I can, and basically just create a bit more of a blank space for them so they can actually get out in the garden. And that's exactly what we're doing. If you look, you know, it was all overgrown and looking terrible, but now it's sort of looking a lot neater and tidier. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching, really appreciate it. Skip will come and pick up that, and then we'll, yeah, I don't know, we'll Could be a part 3 here, who knows. Just depends on what is to be done. It's kind of sort of like the rest is just sort of rubbish, so they might be able to sort the rest of the rubbish out themselves. We can only do so much as well, you know. We're not miracle workers. We're trying to make a difference, but we can't. No, we can't turn water into wine. So unless you're Ben from Flawless Cleaning, then I think he can do that.